I now call this whānau meeting to order. Tama, anything?
No.
Oh, I think you do.
Oh, well, I think I don't.
Oh, you're too shy to talk about your new girlfriend.
Julia!
Tamati! It's so lovely!
I remember young love, me and your nan. I used to bang on a bit of that Marvin Gaye. Oh, let's get it on.
Koro, stick to the business at hand, please.
So, kōrero mai, what's she like?
I mean, we only just met.
They were holding hands.
Julia!
Hey, look, I just hope you're being respectful.
What do you mean?
You know, permission.
He means consent.
I mean, you even have to ask a wahine if you want to hold her hand. And ask her, especially before the first pash.
Might be a bit late, Koro.
Julia!
Yeah, but this is really important. It's about respect and communication.
Tika, now, if she says yes to the pash, it's just yes to the pash. You see, it's like a kai. If you get a doughboy for an entree, doesn't mean to say you're allowed the whole boiler.
Oh, please stop, Koro.
Well, I think what Koro is trying to say, Tamati, is that you have to ask for every step of the physical stuff, yeah? And only if you both agree do you have mutual consent.
I mean, we already had a talk about it, and we don't drink or anything, so nothing crazy is going to happen.
You know what, when I was a young fella, they used to call me ngutu areka, which means sweet lips.
Meeting definitely closed.